Hello and welcome to a quick BirdDog demonstration on the brand new BirdDog keyboard. Today we're going to show you exactly how the new superfine move works. So with our PT speed at the top and our camera options here at the bottom, let's go ahead and get into it. So on the screen I do have an X1 and you can see that I can scroll between PT speeds 1 and 8 as my base speed movements. So if I go to 1, I get this kind of pretty slow movement here, fully maxed out, and if I go up to 8, we'll get a little bit more speed on that. Go back to the left. And what we can do with this in today's demonstration is I have this and a generic on the right. So on the left is an X1 from BirdDog and on the right is a generic PTZ, just to show you guys the difference that the superfine allows you to have. So I'm going to go ahead and flip over to the generic PTZ on my keyboard, and I can flip to that video feed and control it with a single click. And here is kind of the base movement. I'm going to scroll it down to 1. And it's a little fast. This is kind of just showing the basic 1 PT speed movement of this PTZ all the way to the max position. You can take it to 8. This one goes really fast. But what I want to show you is the shift button. Now this enables what we're calling superfine. So if I take the speed all the way here, even on a generic PTZ, it will slow down the movement to about half speed on a generic PTZ over the NDI control. So that's a really useful feature that you can use with any camera on the BirdDog keyboard. And if we go up to 8, it's going to go very fast. So it'll essentially cut it down to half. But now let's flip back over to the X1 and show you guys how superfine will slow it down by 1/10 of the speed. So I'm going to go down to 1 speed, fully to the right. And then once again, show you speed 8. And this is again on the BirdDog X1. So we're all set up, and now let's go ahead and do our superfine move by holding the shift button. And now you will see I'm doing a very slow move with the joystick at the max position, and you can really get some awesome cinematic shots with this, and it makes it way easier to control. You can even go on the Y-axis as well while holding down the shift. And if you let go of shift, it kind of acts as a cruise control. So if you continue on the same X or Y axis, you can let go of the shift button and continue that move so you don't wear out your left hand while doing it. Now, if you change directions, it will resume back to the normal speed that you have set, but it is just a really handy feature using the superfine control on the new BirdDog keyboard. So once again, holding down the shift, cruise control, makes it so easy. And even if you go up to speed 8, it's going to do it by 1/10. So here you can see I'm going fast with superfine. But that is kind of just a rundown of the new superfine control on the BirdDog keyboard. Hope you guys enjoy.